What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Today I haven't typed or practiced my typing in a quick minute. I was noticing back in I think it was like my last video or 2 videos ago, I was typing pretty slow. So I don't practice it every day, but right now it's already like 12. You can see in the little corner or whatever. I'm about to go to sleep and just wanted to make a video, just have some time to practice a little bit. So why not? Let's just start. Let's see. I'm gonna start slow. I like kind of getting to know where everything is first. And the hard thing about this is that they're not actual. Well, this is actual words, but some of them are not words. I'm having trouble, and I'm going very slow. I don't know why I'm not looking elsewhere. So I haven't checked. I'm gonna check the typing speed. What's this speed? 32. Oh, it's really slow. Let's try one more time. Alright, alright. I'm not gonna talk this time. Yeah, I'm definitely doing E. That's the letter that I'm seeing the most. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take it slow. Oops. I'm gonna go with the approach of going 100%, but slower, and then slowly picking it up. Oh, damn. Alright. That one probably dropped me by a lot. Alright, what is it? Yeah, 24. Yeah. Alright, I'll practice it till 30. If it was more common words, I feel like I'd do a little bit faster. I'd go a little faster. Oof. Okay, I'm losing myself. I don't know. Yeah, I need to do this more often, or at least until I really got it down. This website's really good, honestly, because it has random letter, entire, that's not even a word, not a common word at least. So it kind of forces you to kind of forces you to actually think about the word, versus other websites it has actual full sentences. So all you gotta do is just glance. Sometimes, okay, this is my last one. It's already 12:30. Ooh. Oh, included a lot. I was at, I think I was like when I used to program more, or when I was practicing like Python, or when I was practicing JavaScript for a bit. I was doing this more often because I was like, oh, if I'm gonna be programming, it's gonna save me a lot of time, which it will. And so every day it was keeping up. I wasn't losing it. But now that I'm doing more designing and stuff like that, and mind you, this was like a year ago. Um, it's gotten I've gotten a lot slower. So as you can see, I'm at 40 after a couple tries. Uh, Definitely though, when you're programming, you use other keyboards, like you use the parentheses and stuff like that. So I know there's a website for that to learn on that. I think there is, but I don't use them that much right now. So that's all that's gonna be here for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.